Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to use Hyperlink in Microsoft Excel. And what is Hyperlink and how we can use these. If you want to make a hyperlink to any website, just type like a Google www.google.com. Then you will see here is a hyperlink and underline and blue color is showing it's a hyperlink. When your cursor move into the text, just see there is a hand. If you click google.com, then it will go to the google.com website. If you type www.yahoo.com, then it will create a hyperlink automatically, and you just click it and it will go to the Yahoo domain. If you want to make the hyperlink to another worksheet, then just type the sheet name like a formula auditing. When I click there, it go to the another worksheet which is in the desktop. Just click here and go to the insert and click hyperlink, and there is an option existing file or web page. Just click here and there is a file in the desktop, formula auditing. When I click OK, it will create a hyperlink. When I click it, then it goes to the formula auditing worksheet. When I close it, it creates a link to another worksheet, and I can create a hyperlink within a worksheet as well. How can we do that? Just type the worksheet name, advanced filter. Just select it and go to the hyperlink, and there is a second option, place in this document. There, if you click it and advanced filter, there is a website, there is a sheet, and just click it and press OK. When I click it, it go to the another sheet, advanced filter. It will go to the advanced filter. Just go to the hyperlink, and I can create a hyperlink to within a sheet as well. How can we do that? You have to create a name of different portion. Just stationary quantity. I just go to the formula and define the names and click OK, and go to the bottom and just select it and define name and click instrument quantity is a name. Press OK, and I create a shape. I will create a shape just like here is a option, and right click and edit text and type the stationary quantity. When I click it, and it go to the stationary quantity, and I create another shape, and right click, edit text, instrument quantity. And how can we create a hyperlink there? Just click here, insert hyperlink, and existing file and web page, and there is a option bookmark. Just click bookmark, and there is a option define names, and here is a option stationary quantity. Just click OK, and select second shape and go to the hyperlink and bookmark and select instrument quantity. Okay. When I click stationary quantity, it goes to the stationary quantity. When I click the instrument quantity, it goes to the instrument quantity. Dear friend, it is very helpful tip for creating a hyperlink. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.